What's good? What's good? Sorry about that. Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Going to go over our friend ADA, up 15% on the day, sitting at 90 cents. XRP and Cardano are pumping while the rest of the market is standing still. Market cap 31.72 billion. 24-hour volume 3.52 billion. So if we pop into the chart, we're pushing up into the target zone we gave in the Discord, overextended wave 5. So we may push all the way up to 101 before rejection. Of course, it can even push higher than that. 109 would be your next target afterwards. But if we do get rejected in that zone, then we've completed that 5-wave impulse off the low, and we look for a wave 2 pullback before continuation up to our wave 3 target, which is at $1.21. We'll have to see how that plays out. We broke out of the massive double bottom on the daily chart. It's looking really good. If we take a look at the weekly chart quickly, as you can see on the weekly, we're just printing the bullish cross, buy and go to the beach signal, which is the start of the bull market, just as it was right here. Bullish cross, boom, massive bull market, and an appreciation of where's that bullish cross? Probably right around here. Appreciation of about a 10x, 15x, 1,500% is a 15x. Wow, why is it while I'm making the video? How rude. So we broke out of that double bottom. So if we do pull back, what we may see is a retest of that double bottom before continuing up to that price target of 140. All right, gang, that's what I'm looking at for ADA. We're in multiple trades right now. If you want completely free access to my trade signals for crypto and Forex and my daily crypto analysis, all you have to do is sign up to Bitfinex. It takes 30 seconds. One of the few exchanges you can trade futures in North America. No KYC, no VPN. It is global. Bitfinex can be used worldwide. Once you sign up, it takes 30 seconds. Send me an email. Completely free access to my daily crypto analysis. We're currently in trades for Ethereum, Turbo, and Polygon, and one of our members is posting trade signals all day long, and you can get completely free access if you sign up to Bitfinex and send me an email. That's all you have to do, no strings attached. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.